Hey guys, Steve here. Today I just wanted to go over the anatomy of the lead lightning funnel. Not too many people know about lead lightning, and it's a shame. I think it's an excellent tool for any beginning affiliate marketer, and even anyone who's trying to promote another business. This system is an all-in-one system for a one-time fee of $7 that you can resell and make $6 commissions. Also, something that most people don't know about lead lightning is that it has the potential to make you $6 commissions from $6 all the way to $526. Why is that? Because of the funnel. It has an excellent price point at Tripwire at $7. Not too many people are afraid to drop $7. That's like a expensive Starbucks coffee, I guess. I don't drink Starbucks, but that's a $7 investment in yourself that you can make $6 recurring commissions over and over. After 2 sales, you already made your money back in profit mode, and you got the potential to make $526 at the end. But what I'll do is I'm gonna play this quick video. I'm gonna allow the presenter to explain it, and then we'll talk.
Right now, you're looking in the back office of a marketing system called Lead Lightning. Now, Lead Lightning is going to be a game changer. It's going to allow you to create buyer leads, to build your list. It comes with an autoresponder. It has incredible training. Just look at some of the things that you're going to have access to. We're going to show you how to market. We're going to give you all kinds of different ways to promote your link. You're going to have your own contact management system. You're going to have a training area packed with videos on how to market online, how to get traffic to your site, internet marketing training, everything you can imagine. You're going to be able to join our Facebook group where you can ask questions and meet other members. We're going to give you the links to advertise. We're going to show you how to advertise those links. And check this out. Every week, we're going to pay you all your commissions. You're going to have your own e-wallet. We pay commissions all over the world. Now, if you want to get a sneak peek at this Lead Lightning funnel, all you have to do is scroll down the page, and you're going to see the earning potential just from one prospect coming through your funnel. This is amazing stuff. You can grab your Lead Lightning system right now today for only $7 one time. Just click this green button called Get Started Today and be one of the very first people to get your hands on Lead Lightning.
Yeah, so Lead Lightning is awesome, and it's only $7. So all of that is a powerful piece of equipment for $7. You cannot beat it. I highly recommend it. Like he said in the presentation, you get lead capture pages, you get training. You can make unlimited $6 commissions for every $7 buyer. You basically create a buyer's list because once the person buys the product, they're on a list in your back office that, of course, once they see the potential, they're gonna upgrade to the full-blown power lead system, which is a whole nother powerful tool that a lot of people are sleeping on, that you can make $20 recurring commissions on. So let's look at that. Let's look at the numbers here. You have $6 potential commission for every sale you make of the basic Lead Lightning, which comes with all the training that was outlined in the video, mind you, right? They can upgrade to a gold membership, pay a $30 a month membership, and you get to create your own capture pages. You get to send out emails. You get, unlimited subdomains, autoresponders, the whole nine, plus more and more training, and you get to $20 recurring commissions. So that's $26 total. Then depending on what leg of the funnel they go down, if they say no to the gold membership, they're offered a silver, which you still can make a $15 residual commission on. Or if they do go down, upgrade to gold, and then upgrade to diamond, you can make another 100. So that's 100 plus the 20 plus the 6. So that's $126 potentially they can make on one leg of this funnel, right? But if they continue on down the upgrade and see the potential in how much money they can make, you get paid every step of the way. So if they upgrade the third time, that's a $400 commission that you get. So there it is, $400 commission plus a $100 commission plus the $20 residual, right? and the $6 initial commission. So that's $526 that you can make. Now, mind you, that's like a one-time $526, right? Yeah. But no, it's not really, because you get this $20 residual. So you make $526 potentially off of the one customer that one time when they upgrade all the way. And it may take months or years for them to upgrade all the way. But as long as they're a member of that gold membership and they use Lead Lightning or use the Power Lead system, you're going to get that $20 every month. And then if they have members under them, you're going to get $10 of that 20, right? So they're going to get 20 and you're going to get 10 off of their members. So it's an amazing system, and I think it's excellent for any newbie trying to get into it. They come with various capture pages, easy to run traffic to, and when people actually see how powerful it is and the potential of what can be done, I think that it's an easy sell. But people are scared to invest in themselves. They're always looking for a scam or whatever. But this is a powerful tool that us as affiliates can use, and I recommend it to all newbies. I recommend it to, even if you're not a newbie, you can give it away. They have a free version, but that's a different video. But anyway, I'll leave the link to the Lead Lightning funnel all in one platform in the description box, as well as a free trial. Here's what I'll offer: a free 7-day trial for the Power Lead system. I'll leave that down there, and also I'll leave the link for an excellent free affiliate training school called Simple Freedom Club. It's free to join. You can get in there, and you can actually learn how to use the Power Lead system. You can learn the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, and you can see how you can create a very passive cash flow on the internet. That's all I got for now. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.